Welcome dear kids. Today I have brought an activity for you on non-living and living things. So for this activity you need 2 glasses and few flashcards. On this glass I have written living things, L-I-V-I-N-G and things. So red is for living things. And this yellow glass I have written non-living things, N-O-N, non, L-I-V-I-N-G, living things. So you can see yellow shows non-living things. Now children, as you know, what are the characteristics of living things? Living things grow, they eat, they need food, water and air to survive, they reproduce, they move. So those objects which move on their own, which reproduce, those are living things, and the objects which do not need such things, they are non-living things. So now see this flashcard. Which picture is this? This is dog. So spell out D-O-G, dog. Now you will tell me in which jar or in which glass I am going to put this flashcard. Dog is living or non-living? Dog is living. So I am going to put this flashcard in this glass. Now next, which picture is this? This is log. This is a log. So I am going to put this flashcard into which glass? Yellow glass, because log is non-living. Now moving to next. See this picture? This is a boy. This is a boy. And boy is living. Boy is living because boy grows. Boy moves. So I will put this flashcard into red glass. Now next. See this picture? This is a box. B-O-X, box. So box is living or non-living? Box is non-living because it cannot move on its own. In same way, now recognize this picture children. This is an owl. Owl. O-W-L, owl. So owl is living or non-living? Owl is living because it eats food. Next, see this picture? Pot. P-O-T, pot. So pot is living or non-living? Pot doesn't breathe. ये बेटे सांस नहीं लेता. So we will put pot in yellow box or yellow glass. Next, girl. She is a girl. G-I-R-L, girl. Girl is living or non-living? Girl breathes. She eats. So she is living. Now next. This is a beautiful tree. T-R-E-E, tree. So tree is also a living because it grows. It doesn't move but it grows. So trees are also living things. Now next, gun. This is gun. G-U-N, gun. G-U-N, gun. Gun is non-living. This is a tub. T-U-B, tub. T-U-B, tub. Tub is non-living. So I will put this flashcard into this jar. Now children, now I have 2 sets of glasses. Okay. One is living and other is non-living. So in this way, you will do today's activity and enjoy this activity. Happy learning children. Now children, write down today's date, 15th of December 2020, and day is Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. In this page, you have to find out living things and write their names. So first one is done for you, R-A-T, rat. So we will circle living things. First we will see the picture. This boy is living. Fan is non-living. We will not circle non-living. Hut is non-living. Dog is living. Net is non-living. Pot is non-living. Cup is non-living. But pig is living, because pig eat food, it reproduce, it moves, so it is living. So you will write the name of living things. Dog, dog. Pig, pig. Boy, boy. And you will not circle bag, because bag is also non-living. And in this page, page number 59, you have to find out the non-living things from the basket and write down their name. So let's see which are living and which are non-living. Jug is non-living. So in this page, you will circle non-living things. Pen is non-living. Bag is non-living. Hen is living. Rat is living. Dog is living. Top is non-living and bib is also non-living. First one is done for you. Bib बेटे यहाँ लिखा है. Next you will write jug. 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 Pen. Pen. Bag. Bag. And top. Top. So in this way you will do your today's work in integrated activity book. Okay children? Happy learning.